Ngokucaba kwasekhanda uTsolo.
Okay, njengoba bona baphumbu nje sinozikubona baphumbu uyawuthanda lapha mos.
Umuntu uTsolo ngiyiwana.
I know kwazi into longaphumana uTsolo ifumana
so into ye-radio kale nge-radio
radio.
abantu abaninzi badlula se-radioini abantu abaninzi ngendlela enthetha ngayo. Yes ngendlela enthetha ngayo yabo. So but Christian, I'm a Christian, yes. Is it be right in the corner where you are? Something like that, God.
Yes, no.
Yes, so ndiyakulena ke ngoku uGqeboyitsho ne like le mhlobo and everything. Be right in the corner where you are. Know that I'm here. There are local radio stations. You understand?
Yes.
All I must do is that man, this push now. Again, in order for them to recognize me, you understand?
A very good morning to you. Wow, Molona kunjani? Awubatha ndithemba niyaphila man. Awune fresh but
hey. Namhlanje manje hayi. Sisendaweni ekude. Sisuka le goal nizapha ekhaya kumbo. Laphi bajojini sebhonti nani yanibona ndabe indoda. Hey ndise njengasho ndijayi siphethe celebrity yakuthi yomthakuthi njengoba silapha nje. But the way this is the plug podcast lena mafethu izinto ethethayo kumpini hlangamandla intwana yasegazi intwana yakuqumbu evela esipha khona ekhoza mjikweni smoking sonke indawo sikhona ngoku silapha ebadodi kuda ndami ndoda ndihamba nomkhulu wakho uzachaza yena ukuthi ubani usukaphi wenzatuli ndifanele nje surprise nje right kunjani futhi kubhedele mwana kodwa ngenxa yabantu kanjani ekhaya hayi kuhle mona yazi ukuthi manje njengoba lapha nje thonwe ezinye indlela nje ngifuna nje ukuchazela nje abantu ukuthi yena ngubani obhuti imali
lokwenza alifumanekile iyaqala ukwenzeka lokho but no igama lami ngingathi Nkosi ifone mina ngokucaba kwasekhanda uTsolo phambi kwaNoduma kwaTsoko so lapho ke ndikhulele khona nakhona khona nafunda khona izinto zami zonke almost zonke izinto zami are revolving around Utsolo.
Yes.
Utsolo ngokutsolo.
Okay, njengoba bona baphumbu nje sinozikubona baphumbu uyawuthanda lapha mos.
Umuntu uTsolo ngiyiwana.
I know
kwazi into longaphumana uTsolo uyifumana kuphumbu. Uma uphumbu ndayifumana uTsolo. So uphumbu and Utsolo is one and the same.
Vela yonke ngathi samampondo obsesisonke. Yes. Ebhuti manje ngifuna ukuchazela abantu manje ukuthi iqale nini kahle lento yakho ngosebizwa kuthiwa content creator yabona ku TikTok abantu babona ku TikTok ku Facebook umuntu odumuleka kahle yino wayiqingile kanye into aveyazela nje kanye i-code planner okanye into vesiphele nje thubelisa
ndakabude ezinye izinto siyasifikela nje ngephupha ngawulala uyazi buza uphupha ntoni into evele ifike nje but to answer your question bra lento kudala iqalile yona even though mina liyibone kade but kudala iqalile abantu abekhuleni abenikhula nabo bayitsho from dala that hey wena you are going to be the next big thing ku social media because abona nikhona like onke khona esikolweni yonke lana nekuhlekisayo noma into serious abantu soloke behleka ntonto and then ke ngokungena kwezinto zesivideos I think I started ngo 2015
hey kudala mos
yes but then ke ngokuqala kwami ngaqala nangwasezilalini manje usikhulele ezilalini izinto ezinthi nasko exposed kuzo or asina access kuzo banede kangalondlela so izenze this video ngefoni yami phone yesixhosa khona nezifoni zethu ngathi ziphuma nebheat funa uyi-edit yes uyi-edit ekhanya ubani ezidumela kumzala wami bese good at least yangwena bese inayo access yezinto zo TikTok and everything isithumele kuye azifake kwi-account yakhe that is his TikTok account. Then unfortunately viewers like I screenshotele abantu bayayithanda lento yakho if ever ungavula i-account and then ube ne-account yakho at least izinto zakho zingatrend because abantu bayayithanda even those videos zimbala but xa beyibona from umuntu oyenzayo obvious like and then ke ngoku to cut story short phango 2020 angena ku TikTok kangoku but ke ndisokolile ungena ku TikTok I must be honest because I think no TikTok about before lona I've got about 5 accounts only akwazi usebenzisa wazi ngo2020 nakwazi usebenzisa ngokuthi angene
uthale le 5 account
yakho different sets obadaba zovela zininzi uyangibona
akudawuyenza umsebenzi wakho mina yaziqala nokubona qala into ngo2021 bangiqala ukubona ukubuza ndithi hayi man and futhi kukho umuntu asendlini ubaba bakuthona athi hayi manje iphelele champ DJ ama yabona ngokusedimula ngala ngenyimizo nje pha kuye yabona lapho kudibana naye yabona kwenzeka ngagcoka nawe futhi khona apha town so lento yakho inkulu kakhulu and abantu abaninzi bayanqonela bayafuna bathi bayafuna basazibuza ngokufuna iphunga ngakho awufuni awusiboni nawe uyapha TV ora usiboni uyapha evedweni na
jonga man be honest ne man be honest izinto ezininzi ozenzayo ezinganyasibongo zibonwa ngabantu most of the time uyayenza into wena uyenza nje mhlawumbe kuba uphuma ubhorekile or something but there's person ozobona i-potential ba hayi lo muntu okwenza 1 2 3 and 4 polish here and there angayinto enkulu angakwazi ukwenza 1 2 3 and 4 so le nto ithethayo ye-radio kale nge-radio
radio
abantu abaninzi badlulana se-radioini abantu abaninzi ngendlela enthetha ngayo yes ngendlela enthetha ngayo yabo so badlulana se-radioini mna I don't want to lie if ever mhlawumbe ithuba lingake lifike I can give it a try. You understand? Because even lega TikTok, guys, basithi ndibona ba abantu noma nento inyenzileyo bayayithanda. Noma song bayizwa 13 bekephi. Look at me now, bro. Every day nenze even if like even nasazele ngathi kombe rongo. Inga so radio ke yona bra into engafika nani because I think 2 years ago bekenda papa kwenye radio apha kum.
Ibizwa ntoni
Isabella yes. I think ndisibane for I think 6 months or something but the 2 years ngezinto ke ndaenda apha so elandelayo mhlawumbe radio it's fine as well as into ye-TV izinto ke bra ezinye uthe anokwazi ukwenza into ethile but if ever mhlawumbe ungathola i-guide yese-proper form abantu abayaziyo le nto do this yenzeka izokwenza because kuthiwa yonke into yenzeka ka willing because if ever wena mnikazi wayo awuyifuni okanye wena mntu ufanele ukuyenza kufuni ngeke uyenze noma omnye umuntu potential athi yenze into ethile but awufuni
and bayibona upotential khona siyibona so yabona futhi engichazayo abantu bakuthi umuntu xa yabona uTikTok uveze i-talent ezininzi kakhulu uveze i-talent ezininzi nokhuphe abantu ababonakala ukuthi abantu abafanayo banalo isizinga lokuthi umuntu angaba yi-actor abayibhola abayi-presenter abayi-Facebook kaloku qala kunzima ukuthi ube famous ufuna ukuvela TV
ufuna ukuvela TV and in order for you ukuzovela TV you should go to deep down you talk what but yengoku uTikTok just take your phone uyabhanga ku like uhlale but for social media it's only go 2 hours 3 hours say viral oh yes so uTikTok honestly wavulile amathuba brand funa ukubonga and ke ngoku ubani noba mhlawumbe bengazazi beyakwazi uyenza into ethile but uthi asoyenza abona i-viewers abona i-followers abona noma ngiyakwazi ukuqhubeka nokuyenza day out and I don't want to lie to you social media price the way because into ezininzi zenzeka ku social media zenzeka ku social media
and ndibona nami nje le podcast yami lena nenze production bayijo la nto kubona ukuthi ama-opportunities athi funa ukuthi xa ufuna ukuthi ube nento esofuna ukuthi ukubhala okwena ngeikhonomy so nathi apha uSeptember nathi noma ngake ngifune lento yami and abadala besitshela kubo bendoda good wento zakho uyashuta and mina ngithanda nje ukwenza production podcast ngithanda podcast ezanto ze-films zizole imali uyikwazi sezimali so ndayiqala khonapho napho-ke apha ngoSeptember athi it's growing it's amazing ndabona ngokuthi sitsho sababa ndifika pha even ndikufumane or apho ndiphola khona zithi ngapha and ndikubona ndidayi ndisabe ndikhuze kwa so ngoku khona umuza abantu abazibuzayo but hey awuyazifihla and abantu abantu uyasebenza
bathi ndiyazifihla
bathi umele uvela kuvela khona ngezithombe nyana thina singaboni onto research uyafuna ukuthi hayi umuntu usebenza kodwa yena hayi ndiyabona ukuthi hayi le ndlela iphethe ngayo bazobona sebebona kaloku khona khona
bra to be honest with you ukhona pho ndibambe khona honestly mind you ekukhuleni kwethu thina sikhule sinezinto esizinqwenelayo sikhula sinezinto abazali bethu abazinqwenelayo basinganazo
yes
so lo umsebenzi ndiwufumeneyo ndiyathemba futhi ndiyakholelwa uba ngumthandazo wabazali bam You understand? So honestly ndiyasebenza hapa same around Eastern Cape sayuki kodwa. Okay, sayuki phansi lapho. Ngumsebenzi wami Monday to Friday awuyasifanela nawe. So but again mabili kufanele ngibone semsebenzini. Uyawudibona ngawudlula isemsebenzini. You will never see me maybe on social media, somsebenzi you will never ever not unless ngumuntu ovote nami ngelo xesha ayiposta on social media. As individual akho.
Akubona futhi ilana ndemuza yabantu badaya isiyabazi
and akuba mhlawumbi andikho proud ngumsebenzi wami okanye mhlawumbi ndingumuntu ongenambulelo. I believe lokubana njengoba selapha sonke umuntu unendawo asebenza kuyo, but asimazi ukusebenza sibona izinto azenza by this person is working somewhere. You understand? Ezinye izinto zi-right, ezinye izinto zi-wrong. So into endishoyo ndiyasebenza ngomsebenzi wami kasebenza kuwo. Sometimes ndiyangaba lapha kunento zakho ku-social media YouTube into zasemsebenzi ngoba this week so babethi ndiyasebenza abaphazani, babethi ndiyasiphinda abaphazani.
Baqinisekile yabona mkhulu wami umjole camera esisebenzayo ukuzithatha yabona ukuthi ndimo abantu motivate ne-youth manje nabantu abafuna lento le sengumsebenzi wena kahle seyilo esiphilisayo motivate ukuthi indlela ebaluleke ngayo sibanike nje ithemba ufuna ngiphume apha kuyo aphuma
ngethemba nokho
sodeze ne-mic
siphila ngethemba nokho no mntakabhuti ndingathi Nkosi mina kaGcaba ne. All I can say to everybody who's interested in the social media, whether it's acting, rate of personality, noba yintoni, into ebalulekileyo kuqala. Because into ngeke uyazi uyakwazi uyenza ungekayiqali, and ngeke uzenze impazamo. Like uba umuntu oyika ukwenza impazamo, akho nto unoyiqala because wena uhleli nje uyikufeyila. So ubani lento ithatha nje ifoni, uthenga idatha, you do le nto ukuthi kuwe if uyacula if mntu lip syncing wenza lonto, if ever into ecomedy wenza lonto social media, then ngumsebenzi wakho ozokuthethelela and ngabantu ababukela umsebenzi wakho abazothi uba hey uyakwazi ukwenza lento, uyakwazi because ukwazi ukwenza into umzekelo yabona le if it izokubetha abahleke bo uyifake
ingathanda
uyifake elibombo uyifakaje yabo. So ithi ke ngokulanto ebalekile kuqala uyifake then uzobona ke ngokuba okay into abayithandayo from me into abayithanda from even though it was 1 2 3 4 and 5 but 1 2 ubona abamthanda kakhulu then ubhekile ke ngokuba abantu bazithandayo because nanoma into enzele uyenze nabanye abantu then ke ku-age ya 3 and 4 manusifaka manuzinyengeza manuded
isasifusha
ala ngale ugudu ukuthi ala ngalithando ngabantu because i-potential yakho as much as abanye abantu into ezikwazi uzenza nongakwazi uzenza sasiwambo uyanisethema kile yakuthanda uthetha nalona ukuthanda uthetha
usithulele
mhlawumbe uthetha kawethu just like most of the time uzodibana nomuntu mhlawumbe apha town and he will be like hey molo Caba kunjani ndiyaphila athi ndiyaphila athi mhlawumbe okanye ndiyakufanisa andinokufanisi ndim why udula no most of the time thina manje lona efuni thina manje lona so injalo ke funeka uzijonge into wazi uzenza uzijonge into ongasusenza you understand but into ebalulekileyo bala right noba yintoni bala because if ever awuyiqala uzozazi noba ugood kuyo noba ugood kuyo nawe that is it
nami thina ede kulamagama akho mkhulu wami ngisho nabona nje ibalulekile nyale nto yokuqala silulutsha ungas-undermine manje ukuthi yo hayi bazawuthini abantu yabona kulaa nto abantu bazothini yiyo ke le bazoyithanda abantu ke siphusheni madoda sike siphakamiseni manje umshotho manje noko umshotho uyaphakama ngoku i-Eastern Cape iyaphakama futhi ngoku iyabonakala iyavela italente ngoku xa senza kanje sisebenzisana futhi ndiyayithanda futhi nale mpatho ukuthi sisebenzisane nawe mfuno wami hayi khange ndibe because abanye abazi ukuthi uve kumthini athi yakusolisa yabulela ngale ndlela yokuyathetha ngayo ndabona yabona athi wathi umuntu wabantu
abantu nxa bebhoda umzekelo ukuthi uzabalazi lapho
kusho ngizitholela exclusive apho
abedibana nawe TikTok to be honest babelela balapha lo msithe yabo and nami ngoba nina problem nalonto yobizwa kanona because ezinye izinto azenzi asimark understand and azibuhlungwanga because ndibiza ngo to be honest because ndibona ku Facebook ngokubonisa TikTok ndibiza ngoWhatsApp because ndibona ku WhatsApp TikTok ndibiza ngo TikTok nasala ku TikTok that is not a problem. Yeah, so ningumuntu ndineke ezininzi mandifika emsebenzini ndibiza ngeegama mandifika ekhaya ndibiza ngeegama social media. It's another thing.
Okay. Ngifuna nje sithathe nje i1 minute nyana sizobuyela sidubezele nje 5 minutes. Ngoba sesibuyele mkhulu wami. Mkhulu wami. Ngifuna nje ngixelele umhlobo yena specifically. Ngifuna nibepha le camera le nenifunde futhi isiZulu manje. Nithi asiwazi kanti basiyekele sine talent sinabo amandla okwenza izinto basiyekelele. Kanti ngathi ngikufuna singayenza. Mhlobo yena. Ngiyama nomkhulu wami. And abantu bayamfuna apha kule radio so ngoku khanenzeni izinto zenzeke ngenye imini nathi sikwazi ukuthi hayi yabona ngoku ukhona umuntu osimeleyo kwamhlonje ukhona umuntu osimeleyo apha amapondobuseni and futhi ngiyadisappoint ngiqinisekile ngalokho mkhulu wami sesizoyivala andazi ufuna ukubeka nje ispace utho nje umuntu uhamba loyitho or ungatsho noba yintoni ukhona nje ufuna isho noba ngaba yintonyana ngaba yintoni obviously into ufuna clarify or into ufuna ibeka nje ispace sakho siphila sakho.
No, andingumuntu omdexa wethu. Okay, but sometimes I do go to church. I do believe Jesus thing. So I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian, yes.
Yeah.
So nake ndaya kwenye cawe I think it was in East London. So kuyaculwa pha kulwa ke nge-English ukhona ingoma ndayithanda ithi is it be right in the corner where you are, something like that. God,
yes,
so ndiyakulena ke ngoku ubheboyitsho ne like le mhlobo ne after thing, be right in the corner where you are. Now that I'm here, and there are local radio stations. You understand?
Yes.
All I must do is that man, this push now. Again, in order for them to recognize me, you understand? Because I don't want to like any izinto mhlawumbe siyazenza ku social media bataka zifike kwezindawo still bafanele basifika kuzo. You understand? So mna inoma ndiyenze oye onomnye umuntu onomdla ngaqala kule ndawo kuyo. Kungayikhulu yonke into eqala apha brother. Qala kule ndawo kuyo. Because if ever let's say usemakliye ikhona ukwenza kuyo ubukuthola ikhona ongasondela kuyo ikuthathe ukunyuza step by step. By doing that, you're also building your profile and everything. So, kanya kulenda kuyo. Ukuze nopha abe nawo kanya alibona aje distance apho usonde sakho.
Hayi le ngoma le uyayipha.
Nayipho katala, nayipho yatala. Slow.
Hayi. Nami nabazama ngakho nje. Ngoba into ibithukisekile but ngifuna ukwenzela nabantu abekudala bekhale ukubona kwizinto ezinami futhi mandike ukuthi abantu bandithi yabo it's one of bendichikile ke ela box nibali okay mdlalo wasadibalo inyanga embaphi ngabona ngokwenzeka into zenzeka fast futhi nami lenayi ndingatsho ndithi it's one of the biggest moments interview since leyo futhi kungokuthi ekhalela futhi ukuthi ngihlale nawe phansi ngithoke but no umuntu mayithetha pha ukuthi hawu so yatsho into uyiplane asazi ibizokwenzeka mayisenzeka ukhola nabakhona
sitsho thina makholo.
Yeah,
sithi sithwangiso sizikwenza okungathi hayi you understand. So and after kabhuda ndifuna ukubhoka ndifuna uba honest as much as bandibhoke but ndifuna uba honest ndingayibhoki. So nama ikhona ndifuna manje sengathi lena bra i-recognition i-respect nothando bra it's always the case. So nami mandibona abantu abandazela from social media ndidibana nabo in person bendonwabele bevuyile ukundibona na-upload yendifuna ukubacisa amandla ukuqhubeleka ndenze lento ndiyenzayo because cacile uba umyalezo uyafika ukufika khona. Uyafika ukufika khona nezinye izinto endiye ndizithethe mhlawumbe abanye abantu nje ndingabahlali kakuhle ndiye ndithi ke mna nxa ingakuhlali kakuhle into unesazela idlala uyaphila because umuntu ongenasazela umuntu ongaphiliyo. So nxa niye ndacofa pha uyathi idlala uyaphila iyayikho just creating ngoku kumenda right ile ndawo just ile sifuna so bakuthanda bonke abantu so impilo esiphila kuyo nabantu umzekelo ku social media even nathi bana nabo abantu bane remarks abazenzayo ezinegative abanye bathethe ukusa opinions zabo ekugqibeleni ukuthetha le nto afuna uyithetha ngexesha afuna uyithetha ngalo but xa ithetha loo nto ayithi kunjalo always but indlela abona ngayo izinto yena leyo and ukwazi ukumphikisa ngendlela abona ngayo everyday life
ayinjalo benzofuna nje into eyi-one utsho i-social media account zakho yabo abantu TikTok, Facebook ukuthi abantu bakufollowe phi abaninzi libokwazela phaa ku-TikTok if ukhona ku-YouTube sitsho nje wena amagama akho bazokwazi bathi kufollowa
okay this is Atengosi Caba guys once more again and khona ku-TikTok and khona ku-Facebook as well as ku-YouTube. Ku-TikTok it's Okacaba_SA, that is me, and then on Facebook it's To Be Honest Ndilipo. If you say To Be Honest Ndilipo kuzawuvela that then on YouTube it's Okacaba_SA. Okay, so YouTube as well as TikTok, so let's say _SA, and then on Facebook is To Be Honest Ndilipo. I'm only using SSA3.
Okay. Hayi, nisivele balando lo cela nimfollowe and then sizoyikhupha ichisa nalapha siyatholakala each and every social media ide plug podcast lena asizumamjeke ngoba sindwendeke apha siyaphoswa ngamanje isiqakile siyaphosha silapha ebhantini lapho ifikile and futhi ndabona enye proof lena umkhulu wami apha hayi siyithethile kuvakele kezile lona ubheda ngifona lapha kuqhume lokumisluke hayi lona segasi into esenzela senzeke hayi yabulela sign out
Sabafethu